It is that time, ladies and gentlemen, where applications are opened. Some universities opened at the first week of April, some mid-April, some they are still going to open. Some they will be closing very soon, June, July, August, some in the 30 September. So today I will show you how to apply at Tshwane University of Technology, which is classified as a technical university. So do not doubt to go and study to that university, although it has a lot of strikes, but then you must apply there. So if you know anyone who needs assistant, does not have data, or they are stuck in somewhere with the application, they want to reapply or first apply, they do not have data, they can WhatsApp me or call me. My contact details will be found on the description of this video below. Mancoba here was all about helping each and everyone to revive their ambitions and reinforce their dreams. So today, as I've said, I'm going to show you on how to apply at Tshwane University of Technology, known as TUT. So what you have to do, go to any internet browser that you are using. So I'll be using Google Chrome. It is much advisable to use it. So type www.tut.ac.za. Then you click enter. Then you see this is one of the simplest university to apply, because immediately when you arrive at the web page, you see apply now. It's very simple. You just click here, apply now. Then you come here, you can read this information. So here you can see that there's a non-refundable application fee, which is 240. You need to upload the certified copies of your identity document, senior certificate or national senior certificate, which can be your matric, and all relevant documents that will be required based on the information that you will provide on the system. So for example, if you provide that you have completed a certain qualification from the university, maybe of Johannesburg or VAT, an academic transcript, obviously it will be required. So you better have it on your electronic device so that you'll be able to upload it. So you can see here the banking details where you have to apply it, an ABSA account. So this their account number. So in reference, enter your identity number. This can be your ID number or student number. I would advise you to use a student number. Do not be confused by this when they say identity number. By the university or academically, we mean the student number. That's how they identify you, because once you're at the university, you are identified as a student number. Then you can continue to read this. So let's continue with the application. So do you already have a student number? If you have it, you'll click yes. If no, you'll click no. Then returning to complete a qualification. If you did a qualification and then you start somewhere, then you can click yes. But however, when you do the application, you must save them so that when you click yes, it will take you to the last step where you ended with your application. So for now, we are doing a new application. So we have to accept the rules. You can read all of these rules, then click next. It will take you to this page. So you notice that where it is a red star, all of this, it is compulsory. Where there is no red star, you can jump it. It is not compulsory. For example, this median name, it is not compulsory. So you enter a certificate or international student. If you have an ID, you will click yes. If you are a certificate, if you are an international student, obviously you will click your no, so that you'll enter your passport number. So let's enter our details. Then enter your gender, are you a female or male? Then enter your date of birth. You first enter your year, when were you born? Then your month, you choose it here. Then your date, lastly with your date, which date. So then you continue tightly, are you married or not? You let us know by message. Then you enter initials if you have more initials. Then your surname, you can enter your surname here. You enter your surname, not you can enter, you have to enter it. Then your first name according to the initial. Then median name, ladies and gentlemen, this is for ladies. women who are married, because when you are married, you are giving a name from the guy's family or the man's family. So I think the surname here. So this is your surname, but this is your median surname or name. So you can click this. If you do not understand it, it is not compulsory. Indicate if you are married or not married, single, your home language, then your ethnic group. You can indicate whether you can choose here or African. It's the same thing. For now, let's choose this. Then are you working? You can indicate if you are working. Do you need any bursary? You can indicate yes, especially if you're a first year, and I believe everyone need their bursary. So the next step, it's about the addresses. So enter your addresses here. So you can enter it here. Then you enter your suburb. Your town, it is not compulsory. If you do not know it, you can jump it. And just delete. Then your province, enter your province here. Then come here to search your postal address. So you can search by the postal code if you know it, or by the town. Then click search. You can see it will appear here. Then you click yes. Tick if the postal address is different from the street. If it is different, you can click here so that they will give you an option to upload or to load your postal address. But for now, let's leave it here. So you enter your cell phone number here. Then a work cell phone number if you do have it. Then here it's your email address. You enter your email address here. Then you confirm it here. Okay, do you want to apply for residence? I always advise that if you are first year, it's better you click here. Do you have any disability? If you do not have it, you'll click no. Or if you have it, you'll take that button, then click next. So next of kin, you can click the next of kin, someone that you are staying with. So you enter their names or initials here. Then you enter their cell phone number. Then you confirm their home cell phone number, it is needed. Then the addresses, so if you are staying together, you can enter the same address here. The suburb, as it follows. Your town if you know it, if you don't, you can leave it there. Then where do you go? You search your postal code. Then the email address of the person that you are staying with, or you can enter your email address, depend how do you communicate. Just like old people, they do not know about these email addresses, so you better enter things. So here they need the account information, so it's sort of like the next of kin. So if this is the same person that just in case you do not have any funding, you can enter the information of this person, or you can enter your information here. So in this case, let's copy and paste this information, the names, everything here. Same with the addresses, let's copy and paste. then search at the postal code again, then the address, you can copy and paste, then click next. Now with your ID, they can access your academic information from the Department of Education. You can see the year that you have completed to study. So obviously you'll indicate you are applying for undergraduate. Are you upgrading this year, yes or no? So you'll indicate. You can confirm your information here. So now you can see, if you see that they've done something wrong, you can click here to remove it. So let's click next. Okay, here this way you have to enter your previous school, your previous secondary school studies, the last school that you attended. You come here to the search button, then you can search by the name here of your school. Alright, then boom, there are no results. You can't find your school here. What I would advise you, I don't say get use of that, but it's my personal advice and how I can do it. Search it by your town, maybe a school that is next to your town. It might not be the exact school, but try to search the school that might be around your town, maybe by your town. We are finding something like Flagstaff Comprehensive Senior Secondary School. So we can't find that one, but what is important is that for us to pass this stage, then they can track the other information. What are you currently doing? Are you working or you are unemployed and everything? You'll indicate if you're a university student, training university or what, or labor force or other. Then have you studying at another previous institution? You click yes if you did, no if you didn't, then click next. Then here you enter the academic year. We are applying for 2022, obviously. Then after that, you limit your selection by choosing your faculty. Which courses do you want to do? And maybe let's say you want journalism, it's other humanities. Then you click here to search. Then you can search here by the code or by the name. So you can see here it says eligible to apply. You are eligible to apply for this one. Sometimes it cannot be accurate, so we can see that here it's journalism, diploma in journalism. Then for which year? First year. Already they're entering the campus for you, so it will be at Soshanguve North, year January to December. So note here that you are allowed to insert 9 choices. So do not play with this chance. So enter all of the 9 choices here. So what you have to do is to click add qualification. Then you can add the second choice here if you want to. It is not commercial, but it is advisable that you add it. Then you do the same procedure by selection. So let's say you want something like maybe in language practice. Where can it be? It can be in humanities. Let's click search. So what do we have? Here it is. We see it here. So it's click. Then already they are putting the campus for you and the year. So we have to choose here first year, obviously. Then click another one. So notice here that once you have entered the qualification where you do not meet the requirement, it will give you this warning notice that you choose to continue admitting an application although you do not meet you do not academically qualify. Your application will be declined. So it's up to you now that you want to continue or you do not want to continue. As you can see here, it says, are you eligible to apply for this one? It says no here. So you can click to choose, or you can remove this qualification or let it. To remove it, you can click here, then remove it. Let's add another one, just 3 of them, and see. Let's enter this one. First year. Then click add qualification. Same thing. Let's continue, but let's leave it anyhow. So let's continue. So here it is a summary of your information. So if you have missed something, you see that maybe your next of kin or biological information is missing, you can use this quick link or quick trailer to click here, then it will take you to the biological information. So now there's nothing want to change here. This your metric results. This the qualification you have added. You can print this, or you can quickly click continue here. Then here you create a pin of your choice, then you accept. You notice that when you accept this, nothing is happening here to the submit application. So what you have to do is to deselect this and select it again. So this will be activated, and then you submit here. So here they are asking if you have any electronic documents that are available, if you have them. So and that to know which documents do they require for you, you better click here and say yes, then click next. Then you can see that for this one they need what? They need the application fee. You upload it here, your ID copy, you upload it here, your senior certificate and everything. But you can leave this and come back to upload it. But to upload, you click here, then you click upload, then you choose file, then you go and choose your file wherever it is, then you come and save and close, and everything will be fine. So for now, let's leave it. You can upload this whenever you are done. So ladies and gentlemen, just like that, you have completed your application. So if you know anyone that really need, or anyone who is in really need of the assistant, you can contact me. My contact details will be found on the description link of this video below. So try first, then before you can come to me if you are stuck and everything. So for faster response, I'll suggest that send an email, because most of the time I spend my time looking at emails. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, good luck with your applications and take care of yourselves.